Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Ron again from Wahpinas.com, and today we have one of the three BMW Supercar models from Petron. See, and wow, ganda. So this is now available in Petron stores for every 500 peso single receipt of fuels that you buy. You can buy this for 800 pesos each, okay? So it's big, it's not a small car, as you can see. Okay, we'll push it back, see? Okay, so it's a lot bigger than the POCO phone, okay? Or you can buy it for a bundle at 1,000 pesos each, for single receipt of 1,000 pesos, then you can get all three for 2,200. Yeah, so we have the BMW CSL homage arm. There's three types of the cars that you can buy from Petron right now, no? So this one, okay, then the BMW M4, and then the BMW M GmbH, okay. So ang ganda. Okay, so we're gonna open it up so we can bring it out and show you guys a clearer picture of scale is 1:24. Okay, so we're gonna open it up now. Yeah. Oh, okay. So look at the bottom. Okay, so you can. Okay, so there's a pull tab that you need to remove first. Let's do it again. And there's extra batteries if it runs out. So we finally got it out of the screws. And as you can see, it's there. Oh, one of the screws fell out, so we'll put it here on the side. So wow. So I think we need to and you can also open the doors. Wow. Okay guys, so that's it. You can get any of these cars in any of Petron participating stores for 800 or a bundle of 2,200 pesos. Wow. Bye guys!